Hey guys, it's Josh on another project today. I kind of show you what we got going on. We're working on this mobile bark chipper here for a customer of ours. We get to do quite a bit of welding work on it. They always give us a call and we come out and take care of them. I'll show you what we got going on. So this is the welding wire that the customer supplied. It's studio hard facing wire 101HC-G. The G stands for gas. They call for 98% argon, and the only bottles I carry on my truck is 75-25. So we just went ahead and rode with it, and the weld product was pretty good. This wire here is really only good for either vertical or flat welding. So if you try to do any kind of overhead, good luck with that in this wire. It welded pretty good. We're used to using Lincoln wire, hard facing wire. It's not going to give you the same contour, I guess you'd say, as stick welding with hard facing rods, but it's a whole lot quicker. As I said earlier, those blocks, those breaker blocks, there's 18 of them. I fit about 12 passes on each block. 12 passes, 2 inches wide, about 10 to 12 inches long. So you can imagine how much welding wire we actually put in. And we hard faced the sides and the cutter disc. We did that, and above the cutter disc. So if you was doing that with stick rods, it'd take forever to get all that burned in. But like I said, hard facing welding wire is the way to go when you got bigger projects. And if you're charging the customer by the hour, they're not going to really like it if you're out here with a stick rod trying to do all this. But we're going to come back next week and start replacing these teeth here for the chains. So that'll be a fun little project. And we actually rebuilt all of these sides and liner plates on the sides and the top, and rebuilt these birds.